You can't really tell up front what this is, but it fits right here in the back door of the Taho, and it keeps the door from swinging shut like that. Every custom car that I have photographed till now, I always have to do something to keep the doors open when I need to shoot it or put some light into it or whatever. So I have decided on my 53, I am going to do everything I can to mount this little guy here, and it will be what keeps the door open at two different levels. And it's just a tiny little thing. It sits here in two little nuts, and or actually three, the one that goes to the body, and keeps your door open when, you know, often your car is not level, and this will keep the door open on my 53. Little things, but I hope it's get noticed. It'll definitely be noticed by me when I'm photographing it and I'm lighting it and I'm holding the camera, and I need the door to be open. And this little guy, it will take care of that business.